So in this video, we're going to put to use our sine, cosine, and tangent ratios on a triangle. Or we're going to do a couple. So find the sine of A, the cosine of A, and the tangent of A for our first one here. So we have a right triangle, and this right triangle here this is A, here's B, here's C, and this is 9, this side here is 41, and this is 40. So we're looking for the sine of A, the cosine of A, and the tangent of A. So remember, we have to go from the perspective of A, right? So here's A. So this side here, this is the opposite. And this side here that's touching the A, this is the adjacent side. And then that side that's across from the right angle, that's always the hypotenuse. So the sine, remember sine is opposite over adjacent, right? You don't have to write this part, but just to refresh, oops, not adjacent, just to refresh our memory here. It's opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite side is 9, the hypotenuse is 41. Can't reduce that, so we're going to leave it as it is. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is 40, and the hypotenuse is 41. Again, can't reduce, we're just going to leave it. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be 9 over 40. And again, we can't reduce that. So that's all that's going to happen for that kind of problem. And then we can do another similar one. So let's say my triangle happened to look like this. Whoops. We'll erase part of that because that's kind of not a great looking triangle I got going on there. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C. C here is this right angle. And I have a 13, a 12, and a 5. So again, we're looking at angle A. So the sine of A is going to be the opposite, right? So the 12 is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle, right? So this side we said is opposite. This side here is hypotenuse. This side here, right, it's touching A, so it's adjacent. So the sine is 12 over 13. The cosine of A is going to be 5 over 13 because it's the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent of A is going to be the opposite over the adjacent, so 12 over 5.